The human brain is incredibly complex, and while it enables remarkable feats, it can also be susceptible to some truly unusual and rare disorders. Here are the top 10 most unusual brain disorders that baffle and intrigue scientists alike. 1. Capgras delusion. This disorder causes individuals to believe that someone close to them, like a family member, has been replaced by an identical imposter. It's often linked to brain damage or conditions like schizophrenia. 2. Foreign accent syndrome, FAS. People with FAS suddenly start speaking in a foreign accent, often due to brain trauma or stroke. It's not an actual fluency in the accent but rather changes in speech patterns that mimic one. 3. Abusey Syndrome. This rare condition, resulting from damage to the temporal lobes, leads to unusual behaviors such as inappropriate sexual urges, hyperorality, putting objects in the mouth, and diminished fear responses. 4. Cotard's delusion. Also known as walking corpse syndrome, this condition causes individuals to believe they are dead, decaying, or missing vital organs. It's often associated with severe depression or psychotic disorders. 5. Alice in Wonderland syndrome, AIWS. This neurological condition distorts perception, causing people to feel that objects, their body parts, or the surrounding environment are larger or smaller than they actually are. It's often linked to migraines or epilepsy. 6. Alien hand syndrome. Individuals with this disorder feel as though one of their hands has a mind of its own, performing actions they cannot control. It usually occurs due to brain damage, often from a stroke or surgery. 7. Mirror touch synesthesia. In this condition, people can physically feel the sensations they see others experiencing. For instance, if they see someone being touched on the arm, they feel it on their own arm. 8. Hyperthemia. Individuals with hyperthemia possess an extraordinary autobiographical memory, recalling even the tiniest details of their lives. While fascinating, it can also be overwhelming as they cannot forget mundane or traumatic events. 9. Aint Tosia. Also known as motion blindness, this disorder makes it impossible for people to perceive motion. They see the world in a series of static images, much like a strobe light effect. 10. Apotemnophilia, body integrity identity disorder. This rare condition involves an intense desire to amputate a healthy limb. It's thought to stem from a mismatch between body image and brain representation. These disorders highlight how even slight changes in the brain's functioning can lead to extraordinary experiences. Understanding them not only helps improve treatment but also deepens our knowledge of the human mind.